Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Salesforce CRM to Gmail for faster follow-ups, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Salesforce CRM to Gmail for faster follow-ups, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher in the top left corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Gmail and select the Gmail integration option. Next, click on the Setup button to begin the integration process. You will be prompted to allow Salesforce to access your Gmail account. Click on the Allow button to provide permission. After granting permission, you will be redirected back to Salesforce. Now, locate the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Setup. Use the Quick Find box on the left to enable the toggle for Sync Gmail. You can also customize your settings for which data to sync. Next, go back to your Gmail account and refresh the page. You should notice a Salesforce sidebar appear on the right side of your Gmail interface. Now, draft a new email in Gmail. In the Salesforce sidebar, you can link the email to a specific Salesforce record by searching for it. Simply type in the record name or number to find it quickly. Once you've linked the email, you can easily track follow-ups directly from Gmail. Your emails will now sync with Salesforce records, making tracking easier. Make sure to save your changes and settings in both Salesforce and Gmail. That completes the integration process for connecting Salesforce CRM to Gmail for faster follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.